comments. I mean, I don't know what to say. Next question. Nobody's happy all the time. That person would be a robot. So, from our first breakup to my last breakup, all right? And after every chapter, there's a recipe, which is a lesson learned. Nobody's happy all the time. That person would be a robot. So,
ഈ മഹാരാജ്യത്തിലെ ഒരു ചെറിയ വിഭാഗം ജനങ്ങൾ മാത്രം സംസാരിക്കുന്നതാണ് എൻ്റെ ഭാഷ. പക്ഷേ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഭാഷ സജീവമാണ്, ചലനാത്മകമാണ്.
Your book is titled All He Left Me Was a Recipe. What did you leave them?
oh, what did I leave him? I also left him a lot of recipes. And it's not just one hymn, it's many hymns.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the book, I'll tell you what the book is about. Okay. So the book is this girl's life when she's 4 to when she's 40, and all the men she's met that have like influenced her and left her some recipe. Recipe is a life lesson.
You have explored a lot of avenues in terms of your career. What made you decide that it is time for you to explore writing at this stage in your life?
So I love writing. I've always written. Even when I was a young girl, I always used to write plays and make my parents sit and watch the plays. I always used to write. Even when I'm going through a hard time in life, I always write. Writing helps me sort my brain. Writing is my therapy, and writing helps me feel calm and cool. So actually, more than anything, I love writing. So I always wanted to write, like I've written a screenplay before, and I would love to write more screenplays. But then I realized that if I write a book, I can write about whatever I want. When you write screenplays, you have to write what the producers want you to write. And so I decided to write this book.
You're somebody you're a public figure, so you put yourself out a lot there. So what is one of the worst comments or feedback that is received, and also the best feedback that is really touching?
I don't get negative comments. Luckily, I'm very blessed. I'm serious. I get lots of great comments. I mean, I don't know what to say. Next question.
Yeah.
I don't want to praise myself. Yeah.
What
Should I tell you about the book? So each chapter is a different guy. Okay. So the first, it's about from her first breakup to her last breakup. All right. And after every chapter, there's a recipe, which is a lesson learned. So it's also one food. You know, when you are in a relationship, you always have the same food every time. With one boyfriend, you will have biryani. With one boyfriend, you will have ice cream. So that's the recipe. That's the recipe. But the real recipe is the life lesson that you learn from the guy. You know, we always think that our worst times in our lives are the breakups, but actually, those breakups make us who we are. And that's what this book is about. This girl grows up and learns through every breakup and becomes who she is through this. So I'll tell you the format of the book, okay? So all the chapters start with a question, okay? Like for example, so chapter 1 is what are the rules of breakup? And then there's a story about that.
Right.
And after that, there's a lesson. You know, then there are things like could a boy be threatened by a girl's success? You know, these are the chapters' names, and then there's a story about that, and then a lesson learned. And then it's also written about where is he now? What does she miss? 3 thank yous and a sorry to every guy.
So would you say it's better to rather have loved and lost than not to have loved at all?
Yes, absolutely.
You always come across as a full-on energetic, super happy person. Are there moments when you get a little existential about life, and how do you deal with it?
Of course, everybody does. And how I deal with it is writing. This book is a reflection of all of that, you know. And of course, everybody has their moments when they're not feeling great. Nobody's happy all the time. That person would be a robot. So,
What is next for you in your journey?
well, I want to make this book into a show. I really want it to become an Amazon or a Netflix show, and that's my goal. And I hope to be the creative producer on it.